Good morning, I'm Lauren Hayes for the Finance News Network. Stocks declined on Monday with the Nasdaq Composite falling to the lowest level in 2 years as tech shares, which are sensitive to interest rate hikes, continue to be the hardest hit in this bear market. The declines came as JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon warned that the US would likely fall into a recession in 2023 and that it may not be just a mild economic contraction as some economists have projected. New monthly producer price index data comes Wednesday and consumer price index data comes Thursday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average shed 0.3%, bolstered by gains in Merck and McDonald's. The S&P 500 also fell, dragged down by semi-stocks and dips in major tech names like Microsoft. The benchmark lost 0.8%. The Nasdaq fell more than 1% to touch its lowest level since September 2020, weighed down by a slump in semiconductor stocks. The Nasdaq's losses for the year are now greater than 32% after Monday's decline. The fixed income markets were closed to observe the Columbus Day public holiday. Across the sectors, shares of semiconductor companies fell Monday, with the industry selling off globally after fresh US curbs on China's access to American technology, added to a disappointing start to the earnings season, stoking concern that the industry's downturn is far from over. Tech shares have also been hit the hardest in this sell-off as rising interest rates expose their relatively high valuations and raise their cost of capital. Shares of electric vehicle maker Rivian fell 7% after the company voluntarily recalled nearly all of its vehicles. The recall involves Rivian's electric pickups, vans and SUVs. The Amazon-backed EV maker sent a message to its customers to inform them of the recall, according to a statement by Rivian. Investors are also cautious ahead of key earnings and inflation reports this week, with some growing fears that 2023 estimates will need to come down further as companies face risks from factors including weakening consumer demand, high wage costs, still sticky inflation, and FX headwinds. 4 of the world's largest banks, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley and Citi, report Friday. PepsiCo, Delta and Domino's are also among companies reporting next week. South Carolina State's Treasurer has redeemed money from BlackRock over its ESG investment principles. The state's Treasurer plans to withdraw $200 million from the firm by year-end, joining states like Louisiana and Utah. Red states have committed to pulling investments to punish the firm over its commitment to environmental investing policies. On the currency front, one Australian dollar has weakened, buying 62.97 US cents. On the commodities front, iron ore futures are pointing to a 0.1% gain. Gold lost 2%, silver fell 3.1%, copper gained 1.6% and oil lost 2.1%. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.2% gain. I'm Lauren Hayes. Have a great day.